Here's how to fix the brightness on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want it to be brighter, it basically keeps dimming down to a hard to read screen, but you want it to be brighter. Maybe you're outside and it's sunny. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first and easiest way to toggle the brightness is to swipe down from the top right, and you'll see that little sun symbol. Now, I can swipe it all the way up and it increases the brightness, or I can swipe it all the way down and it dims it. Now, you want to push that all the way up, essentially having the max brightness on your iPhone. If this doesn't really work to adjust your brightness, there are a couple different things you want to do in the settings yourself. So tap on Settings. We'll tap on Accessibility right under General. And you can see the third option down is Display and Text Size. Let's tap on that. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see Auto Brightness. Turning off Auto Brightness may affect the battery, but by essentially turning this off, it will essentially disable your phone's ability to automatically dim that screen when you turn the brightness all the way up. Essentially, this will help it stay at max brightness. However, you might find that it still isn't bright enough. To fix that, we're going to go back here and we're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to tap on Display and Brightness. Now, there are a couple different things on here. One is, let's scroll down and you might want to turn off True Tone. Essentially, this will change the color profile to more warm colors or brighter colors. If you want it to be able to pop a bit more, I would recommend turning off True Tone. And then, of course, on this brightness meter here, you can manage that and swipe it all the way up. You might also want to tap on Night Shift here and toggle this off. Essentially, if you're in the evening, it will automatically dim your screen and have the color temperature profile to, again, be more warm, which might be harder to read if you're outside or in a lighted area. So you might want to turn that off as well. Now, if you go through all of these different steps and it's still not working, the next step I would recommend doing is just restarting your phone. So let's hop into the settings here. We can go back, tap on General, and then just tap on Shutdown at the very bottom. This will shut down your phone and then just boot it back up. And a lot of times this fixes any kind of issues with the brightness on your iPhone. If you still have issues, essentially dimming automatically or it's not bright enough, then I would recommend cleaning the little sensor at the very top. Essentially, the sensor for the brightness is at the very top here. So just maybe take off the screen protector if you have a screen protector and get a cloth and just kind of clean out that area to make sure it's not an issue with kind of gunked over that signal or that meter that measures the automatic room kind of brightness or ambient light. So clean off that and restart it. If you're still having issues, it won't get up to full brightness. You might want to take it into an Apple store, have them plug it in, run some diagnostics to see if there's an issue with the display on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.